Good job. Focus yourself on that part and bring that arm overhead. Arm overhead. And then slow